Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. It's a beautiful fall day here in Ohio, and I'm excited to show you a virtual walkthrough since you can't be with me. I want to show it to you. This is a wonderful home, about 2,600 square feet, located at 1195 Maxfli Drive, Akron, Ohio, 44312, which is located in Chenoweth Country Club Estates. Now this property is a beautiful property. It needs some updating, so we're selling it as is, but it's a great property, open feel, as you can see behind me, 3-car garage, just needs cosmetics, but the bones are awesome. Built in the late 90s, beautiful private setting, convenient location. So let's take a look through and see what you think. All right, so right here at the front door, I want to let you, we might as well step right out here, take a little peek. So there's a ramp right here, but that can easily go away. That was just to help the prior owners. But this is the cul-de-sac. This is what the view looks like, at least. Beautiful homes. Nice quiet cul-de-sac here. All right. Nice dental mold. But it's a brick facade, vinyl exterior, coin corners. You got the dental work up top. Neat looking slate roof. Okay, so when you walk in, you're right into the open great room concept. This is the flooring. Let's get in here out of the sun so you can look at it. All right, so let's take a look. So it's like a marble product. So if you look at this great room, quite high ceilings, a lot of natural light coming in. Also a trade ceiling in the dining area with these big columns. So you see here, you have wood accent and then carpeting in the square. But yeah, it's really nice. The wood, there's a mix of hardwoods on the floor, and then the oak is the trim. This center here is just pulled out, but that's actually not staying. But let's take a look. So let's go into the kitchen. So let me show you the differences on the floor. So this is like a tongue and groove oak. And then this is a little bit different. This is in the dining area and in the hallway. On the other side, we'll go in a minute, that's where the bedrooms are. But so for in here, you could see this is quite large. This is the kitchen dinette. Large, I think it's like 25 feet from one end to the other. You see you have a large island with a workspace. Now the cabinets are all cherry. Let's take a closer look. You've got plenty of storage here. And you have storage over there. Okay. A nice bayed window. You could put some plants or whatnot, your herbs. So that's the view that direction. But you can see it's pretty wooded. Microwave would go right in here. So then you have a wine rack, back bar area. So you see there's 2 doors straight ahead to the right and to the left there. The right one would be laundry. The left would be a walk-in pantry, which we'll peek at here in a second. All right, let's look out the window. And there's quite a large deck too, which we'll check out in a minute. Okay, let's take a look at the pantry. So here's the pantry. Plenty of space. It's pretty deep right here, if you could see. Lots of storage. And then the pocket door next to it here. And that would take you to the laundry area. So electric and gas both for for the dryer. The floor would be a vinyl product, as you can see here. A little border. So like I said, some decor updates would make this a fabulous house if you don't mind doing a little bit of work. So we're selling it as is because we don't want to have to do that. You also have an unfinished large basement under the whole ranch. So this is a ranch style home with all first floor living, and then a 3-car attached garage out through there. We might as well peek out here while we're over here. Okay, out here to the deck. Beautiful fall day out here. Now at one time there was a hot tub setting there. That's what that mark's about. It was sitting there and they stained around it. But yeah, pretty nice lot. So if you like nature with all the conveniences, here it is. All right, and then the back of the house you can see is vinyl sided. Okay, let's go back in. And you can see the massiveness here. As you look forward, you're looking towards the dining area, the foyer, over here to the right, back to the kitchen. Now there's a big space tucked in here where these pieces of furniture sat. So you got really a lot of space there. Okay, let's look at the bedrooms. Okay, so here we have a niche right here. You also have music piped in. That's what that dial's for. Linen closet. Another niche over here. Okay, so let's see. In this bedroom here, you have some kind of hard surface. It looks like wood. I'm not sure if it's wood or laminate. You have music piped in here. Good sized closet. The doors are 6-paneled solid oak. All right, you can see. This room also has music, ceiling fan, all nice windows. Like I said, other than painting and some decor updates on flooring, this property is beautiful. Look at the trim detail. So when you look at the trim, this is not the standard trim you would see. Okay, here's the master. So in the master, you see there's a coffered ceiling here. So that gives you some nice dimension. The room's probably 22 long, is my guess. 2 closets. This is the smaller closet. I would say this is probably his closet. Not too big. Unless someone has a lot of clothes, right? This is the walk-in closet. Huge potential here. I'll tell you, it's large. All right. Let's give you another perspective here. So you can see, I mean, it's a good sized room here. So to the left, you have a walk-in closet. To the right, you have a large walk-in closet. And then the master bathroom. So let's take a peek. Okay. So in the bathroom, you can see straight ahead a big storage area, double sinks, large shower area here. And then you have a large soaker tub. And the walls have like a minty green sponging, so that can be easily painted over. Okay. Let's head back out to the great room. So this would be a great house for entertaining. You have a lot of outdoor living space, 3 seasons of the year. But in the great room, you can put your furniture wherever you want. You have outlets here on the floor. So this is pretty sweet. Well, anyhow, I wanted to say I appreciate you taking a look at my virtual tour today. As you can see, this is a massive great room, which is great for entertaining. If you want to see the virtual tour, maybe see a private showing of this property, call me at 330-418-1535. Or if you want to send me an email, if you have a question, just email Dominic at dominicfonte.com. Or if you want to see this tour, other tours, feel free to go to my website, dominicfonte.com. That's www.dominicfonte.com. Have a great day.